Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to do an illustration essay. So we start with what does illustration means. When we illustrate, we are explaining a general statement with one or more specific examples. So we are trying to create a visual in the reader's mind. So an illustration essay uses exemplification, which means the use of well-chosen examples. Each example in an illustration essay has to be related to and support the general statement and topic. So each example in the illustration essay has to be related to and has to support the topic or the general statement. So in this case, we can use narratives, anecdotes, or facts. Now we have the essay arrangement. So the essay arrangement follows a series of steps. We start choosing the topic. When we have the topic, we can decide which title we want for our essay. So the title is the first one. The title: explain the essence of or the core of the essay in a few words or phrases. Then we have the introductory paragraph. In the introductory paragraph, we have to spark interest in readers, so they will want to continue reading it. Let's into the thesis and explain why the exemplification is important and merits discussion. Without saying, I think, we have to be very clear in that part. Then we have the thesis. The thesis indicates the topic you will exemplify, the controlling idea, purpose, and writing pattern. In this part, we have to specify the example 1, example 2, and example 3, because this will be our thesis statement. And this thesis statement falls in the same order in the body paragraph, so in the body of the essay. So this takes us to another step. Then the other step is the body paragraph. Consider the audience and purpose. Contain examples. The examples has to be very clear. They have to clarify the topic. Contain one controlling idea or example per paragraph. Contain supporting details for each example. So, as an example, we can choose whatever topic. In this case, I can talk about pets. So, if we are talking about pets, we have to clarify the 3 examples that we are going to use in our thesis statement. So, after that, each of these examples will fall in the same order at the moment of creating the body paragraph. As an example can be, the topic is pets. So the first example can be, they are lovely animals. The second one is that they are treated like family. And the third one can be like, pets can be like the security of your house. So the first body will be based on how the pets are lovely animals, and so on. So that is how the thesis statement and the body paragraph work. Now remember that we have to use transitions. Why? Because transitional words helps our readers. They are like a guide for our readers at the moment of reading the text or reading the essay. So at the end, we have the last step. The last step is the concluding paragraph. The concluding paragraph provides an effective ending to the story. I hope that this was very clear, and I hope that it was helpful for you. So, thank you so much for watching, and see you. Thanks.